Now that I have the engine off of the transmission, I can show you the bushing that I was talking about. This transmission came off of a 6-volt bug, and really the only difference is the size of this bushing here. The new starter did come with a new one, and I made a mistake of using that bushing into this hole. What happened was there was a lot of space here for the starter to still kind of move around, and that's why it wasn't spinning as it should have. So what I needed to get is this bushing adapter from the local VW parts store, and basically just the diameter of that bushing is just a little bit bigger so that it fits nice and snug in that hole, and that will let you use a 12-volt starter onto a 6-volt transmission. And here's the engine installed back into the Squareback. I didn't bother recording the reinstallation process, but it's pretty much exactly the reverse order of my engine removal video. The only thing I haven't quite hooked up yet is this boot down here, but I will get to that when I can. So far, I've actually already driven this around maybe about 140 miles, just to make sure everything's running as it should. So now that I have the engine all properly tuned, I'm gonna go ahead and drain the oil again, put fresh oil in it, and then change it in about a couple hundred miles. Before I did drain the oil, I wanted to show you that it actually does run. Now time to get this on jack stands. So here I am under the motor. I'm getting ready to remove this nut here, this magnetic drain plug, and I'm hoping that this oil will be at least a little bit cleaner than the last time around. If you remember from that last video, the oil was really nasty. But that was the break-in period during the break-in cycle. It was only about 130 miles in. This oil cycle was only about 140. But I'm hoping that this cycle will flush out the majority of the gunk that's in there. And then after driving a couple hundred miles, I'll drain it again, and I'm hoping that oil change will be a lot cleaner as well. So let's get to it. Okay, already this oil looks a whole lot better than before. Still kind of dark, but definitely not as thick as it was.